This is a step-by-step guide to linking Studyladder to BounceEd. This guide assumes that you've already set up your Studyladder class account. The first step, log in to the BounceEd portal as the teacher. Select the drop-down Teacher Resource button. Select Studyladder from the list of available resource programs. Log in to your Teacher Studyladder account. On this page, sign in to your Teacher Studyladder account with your email and password. If you've previously selected Keep Me Logged In, your screen landing will look different, and we'll refer to this in slide step 4C. Check that you have selected Keep Me Logged In. Once you have logged in, your landing page will look like this. Your class group will appear here. Your name will appear here. Now click Edit Class from this menu. You'll be taken to this page to edit your class. Now select Easy Logins. A pop-up will appear. Copy this link. If you're using Windows, you could use the shortcut Ctrl+C. If you're using Mac, Command and C. You will now paste this link into BounceEd. To remain logged in to Studyladder, click the X and close the tab. This action will keep you logged into Studyladder. The following steps will paste the Studyladder Easy link into the BounceEd portal. Select Add Activity. This will open up the Resources window. Now select Studyladder. In the new box, Studyladder appears with the list of all of the existing accounts. Look for the plus sign to add your class details. A new pop-up appears. Enter your name or a name for your class. In this example, we enter Mr. Traeger. In the section for the URL, now paste the Easy Login shortcut that you copied from Studyladder. The URL will look something like this. Click Save. You have now successfully added your class group to Studyladder. You can now preview and assign activities from Studyladder. We now return to the Planning home screen by clicking Cancel. We're now back at the Planning home screen. To check that the link works, select Add Activity button. Select Studyladder button. Locate your class group or name, and now click Preview. If all is good, we should see this page. Your name, your class group, and these three icons are visible. Exit this page by clicking on the X. If you've logged out from your class landing page, you will be taken to this page. You'll now be required to re-log in to your Studyladder account. The consequence of logging out of Studyladder is that you will see this page the next time you select Studyladder on the BounceEd portal. It is recommended at this point that you re-log in to Studyladder. If all is good, you should see this page again. Close the tab by clicking the X. Additional resources that you may wish to refer. are in this list. The next video that we recommend is how to attach activities from Studyladder to Bounce Ed.